Hey guys, so I wanted to give a little update. I just got from Marketplace on Facebook and I looked at some posts, and I always look out for some of the old cameras or lenses, and I found this dude selling probably about, I don't know, like 1923 or something cameras in the box. Probably half of them are not the best condition, but it's offering about 250 bucks, and it has some cameras that cost about 250 bucks. So I'm heading out to near town to check out what he has, and I'm gonna show you everything what I bought, and I'm pretty positive there's gonna be some gems out there. So if we can fix some of them, if there's some kind of breakage or who knows what it is, if we can fix it, maybe that's gonna be a win-win. So let's go with me and see what we can pick up from that fella. Okay, so what we have over here is a box, a shoe box full of cameras. Got some bigger one, projector, some shit like that. Polaroid. I mean, just tons. Mainly what I see is the flashes, but hopefully there's more to it than just flashes. I guess I see some of them, but good. Okay, we'll check it out. We'll see. All right, so I got the cameras, got into location. Very nice guy, seems like it. So load up all that stuff in the boxes. I didn't even double check. I just making sure that some of the big name brands are there, like Canon and some other ones. And we'll see what's the deal. He got me actually just a little deal to 240 bucks, so it's not too bad. And we'll see what's in the box. We'll see if it's all worth it or is just a terrible mistake. So let's drive back home and I'll go over all the things that we have. So here we are. We got this whole thing, this box right here, and a couple of shoe boxes, I guess. Of course, food is coming. I lost all the interest. Well, let's go ahead and just go through all of them, and I want to show you what I got for $240 because he just, gave me a little discount. All right, let's unpack it and see what we got. Okay, so we start with this camera right here, Polaroid 320. It's not bad condition, just a little bit of cleanup needs to be done, but overall it's a great working camera. And the casing is actually really cool. I cleaned it up afterwards and it looked much better. And as we open up this shoebox, this is one of the stars of this show, the Canon AE1 program. Those are definitely going for high-end dollar. And to be honest with you, I'm pretty sure I can sell it for 250 bucks, just the body itself. Another interesting camera is Yashica TL. I hope I pronounce it right. But that's about 150 bucks easily. Nothing that glue cannot fix. Okay, next one, Minolta Maxxum QTSI. Another Minolta, which is pretty notorious. Their handle is actually just discoloring and sometimes crack, but after cleaning, it looked pretty good. And one of those things that definitely have to change all of these batteries before even trying to turn them on. So I ordered all the new batteries for all the models beforehand, and happy to report that majority of them are working. So here, Canon EOS Rebel T2. Not bad of a film camera. It actually goes for quite a bit of money. This one actually surprised me quite a bit because this one is another Kodak Retina Reflex S. It was just absolutely amazing condition when I got it out of the box. It had really good leather casing, and I do believe that was a light meter that is on the side. Really good combo, and definitely can go for 200 bucks for sure. Another box for the Polaroid J33. You can tell nobody was opening that thing, but it works and it looks great. Polaroid Memory Maker. It's one of those plasticky cheap ones, but it's still a good centerpiece. Another one of those cheaper cameras, Polaroid Square Shooter 2. Ansco Flash Clipper. That's another really interesting camera. Had some dinks and just a little bit of rusty spots, but nothing that can be fixed. Another good vintage camera. Second Polaroid Square Shooter 2. This is a very interesting camera. I know this one is kind of beat up, but Kodak Brownie Hawkeye, it's one of the coolest cameras that you can run into. And I got lucky to get two of them, which the second one is much better condition than the first one. And here's another surprise. So this one is very good condition with a flashlight, and cord is all intact. So just a little bit of cleanup and that actually is amazing camera to have. And this one is another interesting camera, Kodak Duraflex 3. I honestly like this style of cameras because they do have this resemblance of Hasselblad cameras, which has a really cool viewfinder that you looking down into. A little bit of cleaning, it's going to be a really nice piece. And as you can see in here, it works. Argus C3 rangefinder. Really cool casing, really strange shape camera. With the casing, it makes sense. Without it, it's kind of strange, but I don't know. I still had to figure out and research about this camera because I have no idea how to operate it. But that's another mid-condition camera. Okay, Polaroid, the reporter of the week. $50. Probably is gonna go pretty easy, especially if it's clean, because the inside is absolutely spotless, but the outside shell is kind of dirty and just a little bit of dusty. And this one actually surprised me, the Kodak Brownie Reflex. These are going for a lot of money, and the same style. You have that top that opens up and you can see that viewfinder. A very compact and very slick looking camera. Okay, next, the only thing that is kind of sad about this Canon is that the case is kind of beat up, but overall the looks of this Canon Sure Shoot Supreme is awesome, and the prices of those cameras are increasing quite a bit nowadays because everybody's going back to that type of filming that is just point and shoot little cameras that look old school. And honestly, after putting the batteries, it works fantastically. So I can get quite a bit of money out of this one if I decide to resell it, but might keep it. Now this Canon Snappy 30, it's in a kind of rough shape, but after cleaning it's okay. And it does work, but it definitely is a little bit beat up. Next will be Polaroid 2000 FF. Nice little point and shoot camera. Nothing too special about it. And it is much cleaner after I wash it off. This one's really cool, Kodak Jiffy Series 2. It has those cool viewfinders for a vertical and horizontal shooting. Very compact and slim look. Vivitar PS10 focus free, and that's their way of saying that it doesn't have to be manually focused, but it is another point and shoot. And as you can see, the little door wouldn't open, but after cleaning it and just working it back and forth, it starts working really well. So it's another really good camera. Now this one, I'm assuming that goes with Vivitar since it has a logo on this case and it looks really nice flash. Never been touched. Really unique and clean flash, but there's tons of other flashes and accessories all over those boxes. Another one is Olympus Infinity Zoom 230. It is really cool because it does have zoom. I don't believe the zoom is working as good as it should, but after cleaning, it looks really nice. This one is a very fun one. It's Ansco 135 with Ansco Light F20. It is a cute little camera, very compact, and it does work. Now talking about all the other accessories, you have this Fujifilm Insta Mini Color film. It is honestly one of the things that I did not know that it started in 1999, and in Japan they've been using it for a long time, and over here in the United States, I think 2017, 2016 it became kind of popular with all the new cameras coming out and everybody's taking those Polaroid style pictures. But it is very unique to see because this one, it was 2004 year production, or maybe it's like expiration date on those, but I'm still gonna be trying those out because I have one of those film cameras, so we'll check it out. But overall, there are tons of flashes, light meters, and other cool accessories that I won't bother showing you in this video because most valuable ones are lenses and camera bodies. So by the time I record this voiceover and edit this video, I had to clean up, put batteries in them, and I'm happy to say that about 95% of these cameras are working condition. But overall, I feel like the purchase was a success because I spent $240, and on the lower end, I can sell most of these cameras and make at least $1,500s for sure, but maybe even $2,000. I hope you enjoyed this video and it motivated you to go out there and visit your local thrift stores or vintage stores and look at some of the marketplace offerings because you never know what you can run into. Please don't hesitate to slap the like button and subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more and more content like this that I absolutely enjoy creating. As always, stay awesome, my friend, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.